unboxing I've done. Let's see. Yeah, so this is my jacket. I've taken a jacket because where my mama lives, that place is really cold. It gets really cold there. So I've taken a jacket. So stationery, I've taken art sheets. Then these are the books which I need for school. Then this I've taken some clothes. Yeah. So I've taken a mask, socks. So I have some more bags to show you. I've taken a bag. Again, I kept my things inside which I need for school. Headphones, pouch, all pencils, erasers, glue, and scale, scissors are filled in this. Then tab, my tab, and a book, a rough book, rough note. I will fill this. See this one. So I filled art things which I need for art. This is palette and brushes. Then color pencil, crayon box, and the color box. That was all the things that I'm going to take to my mama. So I'm going to enjoy a lot with my maternal family, and I'm going to share every moment, every good moment, and activities that I do over there. Bye bye. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned.